Understanding idioms. Happy as a lark. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the delightful English idiom, happy as a lark. Understanding idioms is crucial for mastering a language. And today you'll learn not just what this phrase means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in and spread some happiness. The phrase, happy as a lark, is an idiom used to describe someone who is extremely happy or content. Larks are known for their melodious and joyful singing early in the morning, symbolizing cheerfulness and high spirits. So, when someone says they are as happy as a lark, they mean they are overflowing with joy or in a particularly good mood. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us appreciate and remember them better. The phrase, happy as a lark, has been in use since the 16th century and is believed to originate from the observation of the lark's behavior. Larks are often seen soaring high in the sky during the early morning hours, singing vigorously, which has been associated with happiness and elation. This imagery of a carefree, singing bird captures the essence of pure joy and contentment. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate this idiom into your conversations. 1. After receiving her exam results, Mary was as happy as a lark, knowing that her hard work had paid off. 2. When he found out he had won the lottery, he was happy as a lark and couldn't stop smiling the entire day. 3. On her wedding day, she was as happy as a lark, glowing with joy and excitement. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, whether it's a personal achievement, a stroke of good fortune, or a special occasion. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you now feel confident in understanding and using the phrase, happy as a lark. Remember, learning idioms is not just about adding expressions to your vocabulary, it's about embracing the culture and nuances of the language. So, go ahead and spread the joy in your conversations, and maybe you'll make someone else feel as happy as a lark too. Until next time, keep learning and stay joyful.